The OnePlus 11R 5G in Sonic Black is the latest smartphone model that offers exceptional features and functionality. This product boasts 8 GB RAM and runs on Oxygen OS for optimal performance. It also features a powerful 5000 mAh battery and 5G connectivity for a seamless user experience while on the go. Storage comes in at 128 GB, and the device features a standard bar SIM card slot. Get the ultimate convenience with dual SIM, enjoy impeccable sound quality with stereo speakers, and never miss important notifications with always on display. Fast charging and built-in GPS also await. A smartphone with a 6.7 widescreen display featuring a 10-bit color depth and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Captures stunning photos with a 50-megapixel and 8-megapixel rear camera and a 16-megapixel front camera featuring portrait, macro, and smart scene recognition modes. Uncover and explore the invaluable customer ratings for the product, providing insightful feedback and opinions to guide your decision-making process. For further information, visit the product detail page.